Hi, in this video let's take a look at some polygonal modeling tools. So I have a simple box. I'm going to convert it to, right click, convert it to an editable poly. And I get my editable poly level and all my sub-object levels, the vertex, edge, border, polygon, and element. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the hotkeys for that. So right now, let's just go to the vertex. I'm going to select all these vertices over here, all the way across. And you can see over here it tells me 8 vertices are selected. And I'll simply, the first tool we want to see is the chamfer. So let's do a simple chamfer over here. And you can either click on this, which will just apply, just apply the chamfer, and you'll have to go and do it yourself over here, which is kind of nice. It's kind of more interactive too, in a way. But also if you click on this button over here, the settings, it gives you this little nice little GUI over here, where I can just further modify it and see, how much effect it's taking. So it's really your choice. So let's say I'm happy with that. I'll say accept. The next tool that we're going to see is going to be a bevel. So let's go to the polygon level right over here, and let's do a simple bevel. So a bevel is kind of an extrude, but it also gives you this little scaling feature, which is really nice. So let's say I'm going to bevel it till about there, and I like it right now, so I'm just going to say accept. Then the one after that we're going to see is going to be an attach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this object and I'm going to move it over here. Let's go to our mirror tool, and I'm going to mirror it in Y and a copy. And then we're just going to move it over here. To attach these two, I can just take these two, select them, or select one right now, and go to attach and attach this guy. And the two, both of them are right now one geometry, but right now if I wanted to combine them further, I can look at another tool. Let's select these two polygons and let's do a bridge. And a bridge is really cool because also it allows me a lot of other things. I can have more segments, have a little tapered effect right here, like so. And let's say once I'm done, and a lot of other features, but I'm just gonna be okay. So there's our bridge. Extrude is really simple. I can simply go here and just do an extrude. So I can just go here to extrude, and it's just an extrude right there. And I can do the same thing over here, and I could have done them both at once as well. So there you go, there's our extrude. And the next thing I want to show you is going to be if you wanted to detach a piece. We already attached one. If you wanted to detach a piece, you can simply select the piece like so, and I can go to detach, and I'll just see, you can give it a name, and I can just attach it, and there you go, that's a separate piece now than this piece right here. And if you wanted to do furthermore cuts, you can go to the polygon tool. I can go to right over here, cut. So I have my cut tool selected. I'm on the polygon level. I can just come here and right around there do a cut right from here all the way till here. Now the cool thing about this is if I turn off the cut, I get one polygon here and one polygon here. That way I can extrude these separately. So this one will extrude separate than this one. So there you go. Those are some of your polygonal modeling tools where you can use some of these tools and start modeling some cool objects.